We'll divide two whole numbers and we'll write a decimal for the result. The division that we're doing is 19 divided by 4. Now, 4 goes into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. When I subtract, I get 3. I'm going to continue dividing to get a decimal result, so I'm going to write a decimal point after the 19, and then I'm going to write a 0. And I'll bring the 0 down. And now we look at 4 into 30. 4 goes into 30 7 times. I'll place the decimal point in the quotient, and then I'll write 7. 7 times 4 is 28. The difference is 2. I'm going to add another 0 and continue dividing. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And the difference is 0, so we're finished. And we see that the quotient is 4.75.